Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Maharaj Parikṣit, who is also known as Vishnurat, one who is always protected by Vishnu, bowed his head to receive the chief guest, Śukadeva Goswami. At that time all the ignorant women and boys ceased following Srila Śukadeva. Receiving respect from all, Śukadeva Goswami took his exalted seat. On Śukadeva Goswami's arrival at the meeting, everyone, except Srila Vyasadeva, Narad and a few others, stood up, and Maharaj Parikṣit, who was glad to receive a great devotee of the Lord, bowed down before him with all the limbs of his body. Śukadeva Goswami also exchanged the greetings and reception by embrace, shaking of hands, nodding and bowing down, especially before his father and Narad Muni. Thus he was offered the presidential seat at the meeting. When he was so received by the king and sages, the street boys and less intelligent women who followed him were struck with wonder and fear. So they retired from their frivolous activities, and everything was full of gravity and calm.